Good Python modules for fuzzy string comparison. I'm looking for a Python module that can do simple fuzzy string comparisons. Specifically, I'd like a percentage of how similar the strings are. I know this is potentially subjective, so I was hoping to find a library that can do positional comparisons as well as longest similar string matches, among other things. Basically, I'm hoping to find something that is simple enough to yield a single percentage while still configurable enough that I can specify what type of comparisons to do.
Difflib can do it. Example from the docs. Check it out. It has other functions that can help you build something custom.
Bleepage Python extension and C library. This URL. The Bleepage Python C extension module contains functions for fast computation of Bleepage, edit, distance, and edit operations, string similarity, approximate median strings, and generally string averaging, string sequence and set similarity. It supports both normal and Unicode strings.
As Nosklo said, use the difflib module from the Python standard library. The difflib module can return a measure of the sequence's similarity using the ratio method of a sequence matcher object. The similarity is returned as a float in the range 0.0 to 1.0.
Jellyfish is a Python module which supports many string comparison metrics including phonetic matching. Pure Python implementations of Liebenstein edit distance are quite slow compared to Jellyfish's implementation. Example usage.
I like Nosklo's answer. Another method is the Damerel-Levenstein distance. In information theory and computer science, Damerel-Levenstein distance is a distance string metric between two strings, i.e., finite sequence of symbols, given by counting the minimum number of operations needed to transform one string into the other, where an operation is defined as an insertion, deletion, or substitution of a single character, or a transposition of two characters. An implementation in Python from Wikibooks. More from Wikibooks. This gives you the length of the longest common substring, LCS,